Here's how to use zipBoard to review and annotate features on your WordPress built web page. With zipBoard, you can review websites, web apps, e-learning courses, images, videos, and PDF documents. You can share reviews and assign tasks using annotations, markups, and screen recordings, and you can track and report issues. Enter your web page's URL and start your review. On the right panel, you can find the tools to mark up and comment. These include the rectangle tool, the arrow tool, the highlighter tool, and the pencil tool. You can update the status of your content directly from the review screen or back at the project manager. You can also view your tasks using the Task Manager. When you click on a task, you can see that there is some additional information that you can fill out, as well as back-end information.